My name is Christina Rang and I'm an artist. I specialize in painting on ceramic tile or marble. I was trained as a fine artist, that is working on canvas, on paper and so forth, but I kind of stumbled on ceramic tile. People who specialize in ceramic, they go through extensive learning about the different clay bodies and glazes and how you can combine them and how it works chemically. Fine artists spend a great deal of time on studying nature, studying people, studying space, colors and so forth. The art of tile making and tile painting, it's a very, very old art. It's you go back to Babylonian time of 5,000 years ago. There's still tiles that we can see in museums. It's something organic about tiles. You know, the clay comes from the earth. You know, the pigments, minerals from the earth. It's a very organic material, very organic feel to the tile. The easiest way to paint on a tile is to get a commercial bisque tile ready to be painted on, and then you have to fire it, and then you have to glaze it, and that will be the easiest way to do it. Now, the other process is to make the tile. So you will get a piece of clay, you will roll it so it becomes a flat surface, and you can, from that flat surface, you can cut out the tile, the shape that you like to have. You have to let the tile or the clay dry completely. Then you have to fire it. After you fire it, it's ready to be painted. After you paint it, you glaze it, you fire it again. So there are at least 2 firings, sometimes 3 firings, sometimes 4 firings. It all depends on how intricate the tile is going to be. Now, if you're going to have a relief tile, there are several ways that you can do that. You can hand mold it, and that will be one of a kind. You also can do a mold. I make my own molds out of plaster. I can reproduce relief tiles that way. Throughout the centuries, tiles have been used for practical reasons, for art reasons, in religion. You find it in particularly beautiful mosques, churches, temples, just everywhere. And now we have them at home. I'm commissioned to create custom murals, individual tiles for people's kitchen backsplashes, fireplace. After I'm contacted, I will meet with the client, and if the client is working with a designer or architect, or we will meet in a showroom, we will discuss the project. After the project is finished, they are ready to be installed by the customer's contractor. If you have a project for your home, you like to individualize it, you can contact me directly, and the information is at the end of the video. Now, this is something I love to do, and I love the way it came out. It's all handmade, hand-molded tiles. They're not square, they fit like a puzzle. It's kind of a different combination, but I love it. I love it because it's art, it's chemistry, it's physics, it's everything combined. So I love that aspect.